Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to send cryptocurrencies using the Binance app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your Binance account, and then you will have to activate the Pro Binance feature, because in the light mode you won't see any of these features that you can see here. Don't worry, the Pro account is just the same. It's not a premium version, it's the same app, just a little bit more complex. So when you activate the Pro Binance app, then you will have to tap on these three dots in the top right corner. When you tap on them, you will see you have three options: receive, send, and notifications. To send any kind of cryptocurrency, you will have to tap on the send button, and there you will need the wallet informations of the person that you send your money, or you can your crypto, or you can scan the QR code of their wallet, and you can send cryptocurrency. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.